the vlog. My name is Emma.
I'm Jonah.
And I'm Noah.
And this week we went to Boston for the 4th of July.
So we took a boat to Thompson Island.
Micah likes the boat.
We're on the island, which is something we do every year. If you haven't noticed, Paige's grandparents bought tickets and invited us to, again. So we here, we chilling, we eating food, and that's pretty much it. We've taken a bunch of pictures, and now right now we're waiting for the sun to go down so we can go exploring.
A bunch of raccoons up in the rafters.
You see them? You see the raccoons?
And they tried to steal our food later, but
And
then
they
a couple of them fell down.
And all the
mother
babies,
went and got
all the
them.
babies fell, and it was very sad.
It's okay. Hey, I'm almost coming down.
You gotta leave it.
Oh my gosh.
Well, let's...
I'm out.
Here we go! And apparently there's a cemetery on the island, which we tried to go to.
But that was far away.
That was far away, so we did a fake kind of spooky thing.
I told you! I told you!
It was just Noah. That's very scary now.
Told you Noah would try and spook us.
Very scary.
That was whenever I fell into the thorns.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, that's like really bleeding.
Oh man.
You need to go.
You've hurt yourself many a time on this island.
I think I'm the only person.
And then at 10:30 at night, the fireworks start. And that's really where it gets pumping. And that is what concludes our journey. While we were in Boston, we went and picked some bee berries, blueberries.
Here, Micah, put it in your bucket.
Lasted like 5 minutes and it was super hot.
It was hot, and it was a whole lot of blueberries.
And Micah, he would just pick them off the bush and eat them.
Good job, you did it. Eat it, Micah, yummy.
Yeah, and that's what I did. I
But-
ate
Me
maybe
too.
30 or-
They're pretty good. Micah, you're just eating them.
There were some animals. There were bunnies, there were chickens, there was one goat, there were lots of chickens, and 2 bunnies, and I loved them, and they definitely had a burrow that went out of their place.
So wait, they were trying to escape?
No, maybe not, they weren't trying to escape, but they had a burrow that was near the edge, and if they wanted to, they could super easily just dig upwards at the end of their tunnel and get out.
We also went to an aquarium.
All right, nobody else is in the frame. There's Jonah, there's Paige, there's Noah. Today we are going to be going to the Boston Aquarium in Massachusetts. But there's a DJ over there playing stuff, and we're about to go into the aquarium. See some water animals. Some fish! Yeah. I said water animals because not all of them are fish. That's true. We went to the aquarium because Micah really likes fish for some reason. The seals were very cute, and I loved them, even though it smelled terrible. And the penguins were probably the best part. We sat and watched them eat for like 30 minutes.
Yeah, that was good.
They pooped a lot.
Oh, it was gross.
Oh, I love the manta rays.
They were stingrays, but they were very cute, and I love them, and they're all so smooth and soft, and they love people. Well, maybe not really, but there were ones that would sit there, and then there were ones that would fly by. And
I pet them too, but you didn't get footage of that because we were in a different spot.
I like the stingrays. I also like tetras.
Certain stingrays would like just go and stop under my hand, so I had some real good boys that I could pet.
I was done the first 5 minutes we were there because those boys were just taking forever. It's like, come on, they're not even coming to you anymore. Leave.
These guys are done. Emma could go for hours.
Well, Jonah's not patient. I really liked them, and they were nice, and they liked me.
We also went to Salem.
Today we are in Salem, Massachusetts, and the first thing that we're doing is going to a pirate museum.
We also ate.
We did eat, but this is like the first thing we're doing. But there's some stuff out front that I'm gonna film in just a moment, but chill pirate.
It smells bad.
Please do not touch any of the displays. Please do not film or record the toys. No more than
Yeah, we couldn't film inside of the tour because, you know,
they didn't want anyone to know how terrible it is.
It wasn't
Or-
that bad.
We can be negative about this, okay?
Hold on.
It was terrible. Please don't go there. You're
Hold
gonna
on.
waste your
Hold
money.
on. No,
Well-earned
Emma.
money. The Witch Museum's
And
alright.
the tours are good too.
The like ghost tours are super fun. So, Pirate Museum is the absolute worst thing. Go to anything else in Salem. Alright, so that's it for our trip to Boston.
That wraps that up in a nice little package bow.
Kind of like an egg roll.
Ha! That really butters my egg roll. Anyways, tune in next week for our trip to New York and staying over at the creator of Social Blade's house. That should go up on Wednesday. Thank you for watching. Please comment, share, subscribe. Thumbs up, post on Twitter, and see you later, alligator.
Peace out, YouTube.
See you next time, YouTube.
Click these rectangles to watch our videos, and click this circle to subscribe. Nobody's watching at this point.
I'm not a fan of it.
I don't even think this is gonna be in it.